Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Laik Bal. I am from BS Chemistry Department and my age is 15. Now I will discuss the first course of Python, Introduction to Python. In Chapter 1, Python was conceived by Gyro Van Rossum. What started as a hobby project soon became a general purpose programming. General purpose build anything open source free. Python packages also for data science. It can use many applications and fields. Python script. Text files.py, list of Python commands similar to typing in one Python shell. Use print to generate output from script. Putting your code in Python scripts instead of manually retyping every step in interactively will help you to keep structure and avoid retyping everything again and again. If you want to make a change, you simply take the change in the script and return the entire thing. In chapter 2, Python list, Python data types, float real numbers, integer numbers, string, text, bool, true, false. Each variable represents single value. Name a collection of values. Contain any type. Contain different types. Manipulation list. List is one of the simplest and most important data structures in Python. Lists are enclosed in square brackets and each item is separated by a comma. Lists are collections of items where each item in the list has an assigned index value. A list is mutable, meaning you can change its contents. Lists are very flexible and have many built-in control functions. Chapter 3 functions. Nothing new. Type. Piece of reusable code solves particular task. Call function instead of writing code yourself. This is the example of functions. Packages. Motivation. Functions and methods are powerful. All code in Python distribution. Huge code base. Messy lots of code you won't use. Maintenance problem. Packages. Directory of Python script. Each script equal to module. Specify functions, methods, types. Thousands of packages available. NumPy. Matplotlib. Skitlearn. Chapter 4 NumPy. List recap. Powerful collection of values, hold different types, change, add, remove, need for data science, mathematical operations over collection, speed. It's a numeric Python, alternative to Python. List NumPy array collections over entire arrays, easy and fast. Installation in the terminal. pip3 install NumPy. NumPy basic statistics, data analysis, get to know your data, general data, arguments for np dot random dot normal, distribution, mean distribution, standard deviation, number of samples. That's all from my side. Thank you.